Hello students, today I have a video for you on the subject mathematics. The book that we are following is Understanding Mathematics and we will be doing some exercises from the first chapter, Warm Up. As you know, the name of the chapter is Warm Up and it contains topics that have been taught to you in class 3. So let's start. Before that, let me read out some important points to you. First, you can use any single line copy or the regular maths copy for your classwork. By regular maths copy, I mean those box shaped copies in which you have box shapes, okay? And you can use either that or a single line copy for your maths classwork. Do not use a plain white copy. Write the names of the chapter, exercise and page number before starting an exercise. This is very important. Along with the date, the chapter name, the exercise and the page number is very important. It will help you track your exercises and questions. Write down all the questions discussed in this video in your classwork copy using a blue gel pen. I already mentioned in class once, but I wanted to say it again. You have to use a blue gel pen and you can use a black gel pen for headings and questions. And the final and last and the most compulsory one is draw a rough area on the right hand side of your copy on every page. So this rule was told to you last year also towards the end of the term, that it is compulsory for you to draw a rough area on your copy, and whenever required we will use it. If not required, if you feel like the rough space is not being used, so you can make it a little bit narrow. So let's start with the first question. I have written down the exercise number and page numbers on top. So you also don't forget to write that. Also the date on which we did the chapter. The date should be on the top of your book also. So you can write that date on your copy. So question number 1 is, write the numeral in the box which has. So we have already done this chapter in class. As I told you, you don't have to write down the main question. So this question, write down the numeral in the box which has. You don't have to write it in your classwork copy. You have to write this. Number A, 3,000s, 400s and 5 ones. So to make it easier for you, I have drawn a table down and I have put down 3 in thousands place, 4 in hundreds place and 5 in ones place. Since tens place there is nothing, so I put a 0. So your answer is 3,405. In the same way, 900s, 2 ones, 3 tens and 5 thousands. So 9 goes in hundreds place, 2 goes in ones place, 3 goes in tens place and 5 goes in thousands place. So our number is 5,932. Next, 8 tens, 4 hundreds and 6 thousands. So 6 goes in thousands place, 8 goes in tens place and 4 goes in hundreds place. Since the ones place is empty, so we put a 0 there. So your answer is 6,480. And finally, 9,000s, 2 tens and 1 ones. So 9 goes in thousands place, 2 goes in tens place and 1 goes in ones place. And the hundreds place is empty, so we put a 0. Remember, whenever there is empty space between two place values, that means two place values are filled and between them a place value is empty, so we will put a 0 over there. So we will move on to the next question now. Question number 2. Use the digits given and form the largest and the smallest number of 4 digits. So the digits given to you are 8, 4, 0 and 7. You must have noticed I have written the question in black and the rest of the data is in blue. So I color coded them so that you understand what you need to copy down in your class 1 copy and what you don't. So see, the question number is in blue. That means you write down the question number and then whatever is written in blue ink you have to copy down in your class 4 copy. And the question that is written in black, you do not have to copy it. If you go to the front of the video and check question number 1, there also you will notice that some text is colored in black and some text is colored in blue. So remember, black text, do not write it. Blue text, write it down. I hope this will make it easier for you to understand. Let's carry on with the question. So we have 4 digits, 8, 4, 0 and 7. So the method to form numbers are very easy. I have drawn a table to show it to you. For the largest number, we arrange the given numbers from the greatest to the smallest. So the largest number is 8,000 740. For the smallest number, we arrange the number from the smallest to the greatest. So the answer should be 0478. But in 0478, 0 is being wasted because there is no value of 0 in front of 478. So what we do is we replace 0 with the next smallest number, that is 4. And after that we place 0, and after that we continue as it is, smallest to biggest. So our number is 4078, that is 4078. That's all for today. Thank you.